Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Leo moon sign people and the Leo ascendant people. I wanna tell you all how your month of February 2021 would be. Well, at the starting of the month, Rahu will be in your 10th house, and in your 4th house, there will be Ketu. In your 6th house, there will be four planets: Saturn, Jupiter, Sun, and Venus. In your ninth house, there will be Mars. And in your seventh house, there will be Mercury. So, this is the planetary position for y'all at the starting of the month. Well, Leo moon sign, Leo ascendant people, I want to tell y'all something today. I want to tell y'all that the thoughts which are coming to your mind at this particular time, you need to work on those thoughts at this moment. You need to focus on those thoughts at this moment, because those thoughts which are coming to your mind will benefit you in the month of February 2021. All your ideas, all your plans which are coming to your mind is gonna benefit you in the month of February 2021. I'd request you all not to listen to anyone in this world at this particular moment. I mean, in the month of February 2021, you do not need any suggestion, any support, any sympathy from anyone. With your positive thoughts, you are capable enough to overcome any situation in the month of February 2021. All I can say about y'all is that do not underestimate yourself in the month of February 2021, because the thoughts, the ideas, the plans which will come to your mind, which will be there in your mind, will not only help you, it will help others as well. It will help your family, it will help your friends, it will help everyone who is near you. So, I would say hold on to that thought and don't let that positive thought, that brilliant thought of yours go anywhere. I am certain that you will be able to take advantage of these thoughts. You will be able to capitalize on these thoughts and convert those thoughts into actions which will make your present and future better for you. Well, Leo moon sign, Leo ascendant people, I want to tell you all something else today. I want to tell you all that I make a very special amulet, a very special locket, a very special pendant for all you Leo moon sign, Leo ascendant people. You know, if you wear this amulet which I'm talking about, this will give you the strength to face any sort of problem, any sort of worries, any sort of difficulties, any sort of ordeals, any sort of predicaments, any sort of obstacles or hurdles in life. You will get the strength and power to face all these. And not only this, this particular amulet will give you a lot of money in your life. It will give you richness in your life. It will give you success and prosperity in your life. And you will experience tranquility, peace, and calmness in your life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, then this particular amulet will give you the strength, the power, the energy to get up once again in life and run towards your goals and dreams. Well, this particular amulet is a religious amulet. It is a godly amulet. And this particular amulet can be worn by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. And that God has made this universe and has made us too. The name of that God may be different. We may call that God by different names. But I want to tell y'all that there is only one God, and He is taking care of us. He is loving us. He is protecting us. So, my basic point is that this particular amulet can be worn by any person of any religion, because, as I told you all, there is only one God. Well, this is my personal belief. Well, now let me start predicting about the Leo moon sign, Leo ascendant people. Well, let me start with people who are doing a job. Well, let me tell you all, as there are 4 planets in your 6th house and Pluto is also there, and in your 10th house there is Rahu. I want to tell you all that this month is not gonna be a good month for you all in regard to your job. There will be too much opposition for you this month. I mean, at your workplace, your bosses, your colleagues, your peers, your superiors aren't gonna support you at this point in time. They are gonna pull you down at every opportunity they get. Your peers and your colleagues, especially, will try to tarnish your image in front of your bosses, and hence you will face the wrath of your bosses. Do not try to get into any sort of argument, any sort of debate with your peers or colleagues at this moment, because this could be the reason for your job loss in the future. So be careful before you talk to your colleagues and your peers. Well, for business people, this month is gonna be a good month for y'all, as you will see your business growing at this point in time. If you were looking for a new business, then I want to tell y'all that this is the opportune time for y'all to start a business. Well, your business may not start immediately, but you can take the first step of starting your own business. All in all, your business is gonna do very well in this month of February 21. Well, on the health front, I want to tell y'all that this month is not gonna be a good month for y'all, as your complications regarding your health will increase. You will start to know more about your diseases at this point in time, and you will be very uncomfortable with your health this month. Not only your physical health will be affected this month, but also your mental health will not support you this month. Hence, you will feel the breakdown in your mental health this month. The parts of your body, the organs which you need to take care of this month is your stomach, your liver, your eyes, your lungs, your teeth. So, if you face any sort of problems regarding these organs, then I'd suggest you all to take care of them. If you do not take care of your health this month, then your health may deteriorate further in the coming months. Well, for people who are in love, I want to tell you all that this month is gonna be an enjoyable month for y'all. This month is gonna be a month full of love, pleasure, enjoyment. Your love partner and you are gonna enjoy a lot this month. You and your love partner are gonna experience happiness when y'all are together, and you will feel that you have made the right choice in choosing your love partner. There'd be certain events in this month which will make your bond stronger with your love partner. Well, for students, this month is gonna be a great month for y'all, as you will find yourself in a position to master all those subjects which you were trying to. You will have great focus on your studies this month, and the things which you want to master, which you want to learn, which you want to comprehend, understand, grasp, you will be able to do it easily. You will find different ways to master that subject which you always wanted to, and you will be successful in it. Well, for married people, this month is not gonna be a great month for y'all, as you will have too many misunderstandings with your spouse. You will remain dissatisfied with your spouse this month, as you will find them not up to your expectations. They'll not be interested in listening to your suggestions, and this will add to your frustration in regard to your spouse. I'd suggest you all not to give any sort of suggestion to your spouse this month, or as a matter of fact, do not talk to them too much this month. Well, for people who are in the stock market, I want to tell you all that this month is gonna be a great month for y'all, as you will find that you are getting a lot of profits in the stock market. You will become very confident about investing in the stock market at this point in time. And I'd encourage y'all to invest in the stock market in this month of February 2021. If you make those investments in the month of February 2021, then you will see profits in the future for yourself. But if you wish to gamble in the stock market or anywhere else, then I'd suggest y'all not to do it. Well, for people who are in debt, I want to tell y'all that this month is gonna be a better month for y'all, as you will be able to pay up your debt, your loan, your EMIs on time. You will have the resources to pay up your debt, your loan, your EMI on time this month. If you wish to take a new loan or pay for something through your credit card, then I'd suggest you all not to do that, because it will become very difficult for you to pay this particular loan, this particular EMI later on in the year. Well, this pretty much completes my predictions of Leo moon sign, Leo ascendant people for the month of February 2021. If you wish to have specific predictions, then you can contact me. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves. And besides that, if you want to earn a lot of money in your life, if you want to see richness in your life, if you want to experience success and prosperity in your life, if you want to fill yourself with positivity in life, and you want peace, tranquility, and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless y'all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.